Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. We're still aboard our Carnival Venezia. I'm going to take you and show you some great food. We're going to hop off the ship and go visit the Isle of St. Thomas. We're hopping back on the ship going to the comedy club. More food, of course, and why this is special. Then we're also going to watch some magic. Join us for the latest. Today, excuse me, today is day 7. This is the day when so many cruises would end, but not this one. We're here for 11 days. So we are up having breakfast at the Lido. There's a lot to get into today, a lot. So this is gonna be fun. I want you to definitely join us. Let me give you a peek at what we had at the Lido for breakfast. We just got back from breakfast on the 6th day here, and this is the friend that has come to see us. So tell me, what is it? And give me a name. I want it in the comments. Give me a name. And I also want to show you who is watching over us in the cabin, just in case I hadn't already showed you. Bam! We are in the Canal Grand Ballroom once again, or dining room, for tea, and we're doing tea for the first time. And it's also elegant night, the second elegant night. So I'm going to show you later on. I'll show you how gorgeous we look in our elegant attire, and I'll also show you what we're eating or snacking or munching on for tea. So I'm not quite sure what all of this is, but I might put it up here a little bit later once I find out what it is. But
sorry, one more water?
What do you think? Looks good to munch on, right? And then, of course, our tea. All right, so we are back in the dining room for night 6. Yes, and this is the captain's formal dinner. I threw in the picture of it, so this is the fun night. I'm going to try something I've never tried before. I want to know, drop it down in the comments. Rockefeller, what is it? Oysters Rockefeller. Are you a fan? Have you ever tried it? I'm trying that for the first time tonight. Let's see together. So we're starting off our meal tonight with the lobster bisque, and it is yummy. I can already tell you that. Okay, this is what they brought me for the Oysters Rockefeller. Does that look right? Okay. I guess the lemon goes on and then you scoop it up. I'm nervous, you guys. Let's see. Okay. Lemon first, guys. Okay, wait, I'm gonna cut it. I know this is probably, but I want my family to taste it too, so. Oh. Okay, hold on. This is so, I know probably not the right way to eat it. All right. You want me to cut it? You? No. I can't eat it again for you to take that picture. And tonight's entree is the lobster tail, and then it also, and let me find that, shrimp. With shrimp this evening. Good stuff. And we're ending the dinner this evening with baked Alaska. Always a good one. Yummy. After dinner tonight, we decided to head over to the Limelight Lounge and take a look at the Punchliner Comedy Club. I'm putting some information up here so that you can see what you can expect at the Punchliner Comedy Club, and then I'm going to take you there and show you what it looks like. This is a place for adult as well as kind of family comedy that happens. The schedule is up during the day, and there are different comedians who come in, and this is a very popular, very happening place. I'm going to suggest that you get in line very early for it, or it will be, although it's free, you won't have a seat. So here's a look at the comedy that we did today. All right, we are in the Punchliner Comedy Club for the first time. We're going to see the show tonight after dinner. I'll let you know. This one's the PG-13 show. I am back in the room. I guess you don't need to see the TV. And we're just about to go out and explore St. Thomas, but I wanted to show you something that we got today. One of the reasons why we picked this cruise, it's an 11-day, was because of the Carnival VIFP changes. We needed to become platinum before that all changed. And when it first came out, we had until June 1st to get our last days in, and we needed 10 days. So I picked this 11-day itinerary, which we adore. And we became platinum. So one of the benefits for platinum is a welcome day. What do you call it? Let me look. Welcome treats. You get welcome treats. So I wanted to show you the welcome treats that we're going to indulge in before we head out to St. Thomas. Here's a look. Here are the welcome treats. It's just a bunch of good canapes. We have some cookies. We have chocolate covered strawberries. Yum. We have tarts. And looks like fudge. And I'm hearing that it is delicious. Just a little cool extra treat that they deliver to your room. You have to ask for it. They don't just give it to you, but deliver it to your room. So I'm going to indulge, and then we're going to get into St. Thomas. First steps off into St. Thomas. They got some work going on the ship and some gates up. Here's a little choose fun area for you to sit and refresh. Although today it is very overcast and kind of cloudy, rained earlier, which, you know, is gonna work for me. All right, let's go explore. They were having a $20 sale, and people were going for it. I'm telling you, all kinds of Crocs, 20 bucks. St. Thomas, y'all. I am just sitting here as my mother and sister go shopping, because that's what I do a lot. And here in the port, because we decided not to take a tour, it's mostly shops and restaurants, and a couple of areas to take some really cool pictures. But the weather is perfect. It did rain a little bit, but it's a little cloudy, overcast. It's like mid-80s, and it's just perfect. They have music going, some kettle corn cooking, and just lots of shopping, lots of shops. This is our last stop on our 11-day cruise, so I am sitting here just loving life. This is not usually what I do on a Sunday, so I am enjoying the beautiful weather, the sights, the sounds, some people watching here in St. Thomas. So we are leaving St. Thomas. I'm sad, y'all, because that means we gotta go home soon. But I wanted to see if I can grab, you see those houses back there up on the hill? Yeah, we've done a tour before back there. And then here is the beautiful ride that we have taken. I tell you what, people are divided about Carnival Venezia. That ship is beautiful. I love the Italian flair, and then how they've carnivalized it. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. It's a ship the size like a Vista class, not really large and in charge like that, but big enough that it has the things that you want. I will enjoy this cruise to the utmost. One last look at St. Thomas. Beautiful. from a fun day at St. Thomas. Here is our little friend. I know what he is. If you don't know what he is, we'll talk later. But what is his name? Cutie Patootie. Drop it down in the comments. Okay, day 8, and this is dinner in the restaurant after St. Thomas. I didn't actually want the entree, so I got chicken lettuce wraps, 3 bean soup, and a salad. So let me show you what that looks like for dinner tonight. Here is our 3 bean soup. Looks good. It looks like, vegetable beef soup. Pretty good.
Yeah, it's making
So there's chunks of turkey in there. You like it? Here is my salad with apples and cranberry. And here are my lettuce wraps. And here is what my sister got for tonight. It is the beef stroganoff. This is cappuccino gelato pie. Looks yummy. And there's also some apple crumble. Looks like apple pie to me, everybody. What do you think? It's showtime. Okay, how do you feel about showtime? The waiters have to stop what they're doing and dance for our amusement. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. And I can bet you know what song they're dancing to by these hand movements. All right, let me know in the comments. You like showtime or get rid of it? It's time for the show this evening, and this is who we have. Lynn Foster, Magic and Comedy. After the show, we took a quick peek into the piano bar. I wanted to show you something. This is the end of day 7. This is the day we went to St. Thomas, and we had a great dinner, a great show. We went to the piano bar, but tonight is the 80s Rock and Glow party. I'm going to miss it. I've been to the 80s Rock and Glow before. I might insert a little video up here or not. But we came back to the cabin, and I wanted to just talk to you about another VIFP perk. For becoming platinum, one of the things you get is laundry service, and I shared this. That's worth the price of admission right there. Okay, so on an 11-day sailing, you get 3 bags per person of laundry that they will wash, dry, and fold for you. And the way it works, you have to get it in these bags, which I'm going to show you in just a little bit. Get it out to your room steward or out to the front of your door by 9 a.m. and then they will have it for you by the end of the evening. It's about 9:15, and when we walked in the room, the bags were sitting on our bed. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here are the bags. So these bags, you fill them up, and then they came back to us folded, name on there, and you fill this little thing out showing all the stuff that you have inside of your bag. A nice little note from Candace. Thank you, Candace, for taking good care of us. And our clothes, let me just show you right quick. Cleaned, folded, nice pressed. Let me smell them. They smell like clean laundry. So you don't have to go home with dirty laundry. That is a great perk. All right, family, we're going to end this video right here, but I'm going to give you this beautiful view to look at as we close this out. The party is not over yet. We still have so much more to go. The white hot night party, the special tribute show, so much more. So come back to see the next 3 days on the cruise. And also, we're going to give you a tour of New York as we exit the building stage right. Don't forget to smash down on that like button, give us a share, and also make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. We've got so much more coming your way. And also make sure that you're tuned into the channel to see our next great group cruise that's coming up aboard Celebrity Cruise Lines. Thank you so much for joining us. I love that for us. And we will catch you at the next adventure.